Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to let Apple Devices app automatically manage your music videos and TV shows on your iPhone or iPad. If you have Apple Devices installed on your Windows PC and you have your device connected to it, you will see it here, and you can go to General Settings, then scroll down and find Manually Manage Music Videos and TV Shows. When you disable this option and click on Apply here, then Apple Devices will automatically manage music videos and TV shows. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.